Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the euro by way of the FXE, which has been dropping over the last couple of months. Let's go and see whether we can learn why it has been on a straight fall. We see that the RSI was making 3-year lows sometime late 2014 here. So the RSI at 3-year lows was one minimum requirement. And in this example, what we see here is that the main MACD had uniform activity above 0 and back below it, which is a red flag. Now in this particular example, we see that the MACDs did not move to 3-year lows. So it seems like it only took one minimum requirement to be met in this example, which is that the RSI on the monthly moved to 3-year lows. So this is the chart going back to September of 2014. Fast forward, we can see since then, which is here, this market has really dropped. Keep in mind, this move to 3-year lows also coincides with the RSI moving below 38.2 for the first time ever. That's a major red flag. When you see a stock move below 38.2 on the monthly RSI for the first time ever, and especially when it's making a 3-year low, that is indication that momentum is really to the downside. So this is the long-term monthly chart for FXE, all data going back to 2003, and we were concentrating on this period here, which gave you that break and the move below 38.2, which happens to be somewhere around here, around there. So the question is there a method to have given us this high? And I'll say yes. We have to go back to the previous break here, which corresponds with this RSI break there, and draw a simple straight line. You can see ever since this line was formed by this break here, this market has always been going down on a monthly chart. Here, same thing in 2011, gave you those highs. It came here early 2014, which is the highs here, and failed. So if you use the RSI method, the uniform symmetry around the RSI on a line that has been used by the chart itself before, using that level there could have warned you that this instrument was stalling at this point, which is exactly what happened. Otherwise, if you missed the high here, you could have waited for this break to 3-year lows that we discussed. So there you have it. The move to 3-year lows gave us a red flag here, and the highs came when the RSI did display resistance on a previously determined break point.